her dad's out of town, out of the country for work, so I have to video everything for him.
Oh, okay. Hi, Dad.
Aw.
Oh.
And Santa, please don't bring her a real one.
Huh?
Please don't bring her a real one.
I won't tell her. My animals up there, I have to talk to Mom and Dad. If Mom and Dad don't think you can take care of them or be careful, then you won't do it. So what do you think? Okay, let me ask you. You're in a subdivision, okay? How big is your backyard? How very big is it? Enough for a horse to feed on? Are you a good girl? Besides the horse feeding you? Blizzard maker.
DQ Blizzard?
Yeah.
Hi, girl.
Have you heard someone else say that?
No, it's
Oh.
just like, DQ